Hey good people, it's Sheena. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to clean my filthy cabinets. I've been living in this home for 2 years and I've never done a deep clean. I did hire someone to clean the cabinets when we first moved in because I was recovering from surgery, but I have not done it myself. So that's what we're going to tackle today. I'm going to check for any expired products. So this is your reminder to throw out all of that expired sage and poultry seasoning in your cabinets. Whether your cabinets are old or new, I hope this video motivates you to give it a little extra love.
Understanding, I like to take my time, but time is what you're always chasing. I know I like to hide, but you're not always keen on seeking. You said you're up for the fight, but I would rather keep on pretending. I feel the divide between you and I, like the distance between the dark and light. But just as the dawn is both day and night, maybe I can make you mine. 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 I know that I have grown jaded, and we could lament over losing the days of our youth. Memories faded, the years we look forward to might be over soon. I feel the divide between you and I, like the distance between the dark and light. Just as the dawn is both day and night, maybe I can make you mine. I feel the divide between you and I, like the distance between the dark and light. Just as the dawn is both day and night, maybe I can make you mine. Make you mine. Make you mine. Make you mine. Make you mine.
o'clock in the evening. I'm already tired because I've been painting, working on some other projects in the house. And doing this isn't cute. Like, I don't walk in my kitchen and can tell I just did something, because I'm doing stuff that you would really have to be looking deep in my kitchen for. But it needs to be done. So let's get done.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it. I wish I knew.
Okay, good people, we're almost at the end. I'm just cleaning up from what we had for dinner earlier tonight. And let me just say, when I started on this kitchen, I started right when I got home from work. I really didn't want to change clothes or lay down because I felt like I wouldn't do it. And that's just what I had to do. So I hope this video was motivating for those times you just don't feel like doing anything. And believe me, I didn't feel like doing anything. I was so happy to light that candle and shut this kitchen down. As always, thanks so much for watching and take care.
I wish I knew.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.